How to make a t-shirt on Roblox on mobile. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of more. Now click on the option of create. Now scroll down. Navigate to this option of create an avatar item. Now scroll down. Over here you will find this section of filters. Click on that drop down and then select the option of classic t-shirts. Now click on this option of upload asset. Click on upload. Now go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. I'm gonna select the picture from the photo library. Once you select the picture, click on done. Now you can give a name to your t-shirt. After you do that, click on upload. After you customize the t-shirt, it will appear in this page. If you want to sell this t-shirt, just click on it. Now scroll down. You can toggle on for the option of on sale. Now you can type in the price and then click on publish. But in order to sell a t-shirt, you must have 10 Robux. And with that, you will be able to sell your t-shirt. Now if you want to use this t-shirt, you can head back. Click on this option of avatar given at the bottom middle. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll to the right. Head towards the option of clothing. Under clothing you will find different options. Scroll to the right until you find the option of classic t-shirts. After you find it, go ahead and click on it. And under that you will be able to find your t-shirt. Well, this way you can easily make a t-shirt on Roblox mobile. And if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.